Samsung Electronics posted better than expected earnings in the fourth quarter. Strong performance in its semiconductor division was more than enough to neutralize losses from the Galaxy Note 7 disaster. Kim Min-ji starts us off with the encouraging digits.
It was a pleasing report card for Samsung Electronics in the fourth quarter. Operating profit came to 9.2 trillion won, or roughly $7.9 billion in the October to December period. That's up more than 50% on-year and over 77% from the previous quarter. Sales came to $45.8 billion, almost unchanged from last year. The operating profit figure beats a market consensus by almost $1 billion and marks the first time since the third quarter of 2013 that the tech giant's operating profit has topped the 9 trillion won mark. The strong earnings were mainly driven by Samsung's chip sector. The semiconductor arm posted a record quarterly operating profit of $4.3 billion, thanks to an uptick in memory chip prices and demand for chips in mobile phones. This allowed the company to cancel out losses from its failed Note 7 smartphone, which cost the company over $5 billion. On Monday, Samsung said design flaws and manufacturing errors in the batteries caused some Note 7 phablets to burst into flames. Operating profit from the mobile division, traditionally the company's cash cow, came to $2.2 billion in the fourth quarter.
Now that the company is looking to focus on improving safety, the launch of its next release, the Galaxy S8, has been delayed. So due to the absence of a new smartphone, profits are expected to stay similar to last year.
Samsung also pointed to favorable foreign exchange conditions and said a number of acquisitions will enable future growth. The tech giant also announced plans for a share buyback of some $8 billion this year, a figure larger than expected, which analysts believe will give shares a bigger boost. But for the first quarter of this year, the company's profits are expected to dip slightly on a quarterly basis. Despite strong growth expected in its chip sector, home appliances sales will likely dip on seasonal factors, and marketing costs from its mobile division are projected to drag down on overall profits. Kim Min-ji, Arirang News.